Hello! Let's learn some colors. Brown color, purple color, orange color, black color, dark green color, light blue color, violet color, dark blue color, light green color, pink color, red color, yellow color. Today we'll learn some alphabets and numbers. A, N, W, B, S, P, C, H, U, D, Y, K, E, Q, R, F, J, X, G, L, V, I, M, T, O, Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn the numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.